Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add another account on OKX. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the OKX application and then log into your account if you haven't done so already using your email address and your password. After logging into your account, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner and now you will find your account at the top section. Go ahead and tap on it. And now within your profile settings page, if you scroll all the way down, you will find an option to switch account. Go ahead and tap on it and now tap on other accounts and then tap on add another account. You will then be asked to enter your email address or your phone number to log into this another account. Go ahead and type in either your phone number or your email address and tap on the next button. You can also continue with your Google or your Telegram account to log into your other account. Tap on the next button, and when you're prompted to type in your password, go ahead and type it in. After entering your password, you will need to verify your account using your phone number or your Telegram, and after you do this, you will find this account within My Sub Accounts section, and you can simply tap on it to change your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add another account on OKX. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.